Okay, we want to simplify this radical expression. So we're going to rewrite it so they both have exponents. So this is when it says square root, that's understood 2. So that's going to give me c to the 1/2 divided by c to the 4th. And when I'm dividing, the properties tell me that I need to subtract my exponents. So that's going to be the same thing as c to the 1/2 subtract 4. And if I subtract 1/2 minus 4, that gives me -7/2. And remember, you don't want a negative exponent, so you need to take it down to the bottom. So 1 over c to the 7/2 power. You work this one. Now work this one. Simplify this expression. Simplify this expression. Now, if you want to simplify this one, you're going to need to separate that. So if we wrote that equals, I'm going to take everything that's underneath the radical, 125 x to the 2/5 power. And I'm going to change this cube root to a radical exponent of 1/3. And then when you're going to be simplifying that, you want to take your exponent that you're raising it a power to, and you want to distribute it to both of your bases. So if I distribute the exponent of 1/3, that's going to give me 125 to the 1/3 power times x to the 2/5, and I've got to multiply these exponents. If I put 125 to the 1/3 in my calculator, it's going to tell me that that is 5. If I put 2/5 times 1/3, that's going to tell me that's 2/15. So the simplified expression would be 5x to the 2/15. You work this one. Simplify this expression. Simplify this radical expression. Simplify this radical expression. Now you want to simplify this radical expression and you want to write it with rational exponents instead of radicals. So if we do that, we're going to rewrite everything in the parentheses. So that's x to the 6th power raised to the 1/3 power because it's the third root, plus 27 x to the 1/5 power raised to the 1/3 power, plus x to the 1/3 power. And then you want to distribute your exponent. So if I distribute the 1/3 to the 6, that's going to give me x to the 6 times 1/3, plus, if I distribute 1/3 with my second one, that's going to go here and here. So that would give me 27 to the 1/3 power times x to the 1/5 times 1/3, plus, and I need to distribute my last one. That's going to give me x to the 1/3 power. So I want to simplify my work. So if I simplify my work, I'm going to multiply these exponents together. So that's going to give me x to the 6/3, or 2 power. Plus, if I put 27 to the 1/3 power in my calculator, that's going to tell me it's 3. If I multiply my exponents here, that's going to give me 1/5 times 1/3, which is 1/15, plus x to the 1/3. So when I simplify the radical expression, this is my answer. Simplify this radical expression. Write this radical expression with rational exponents. Write this radical expression with rational exponents. Simplify the radical expression.